This week I'm testing the Peugeot 5008. It's a 7-seater family SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 are all the extra features in this second row, like the built-in window blinds, really good for shielding little passengers from the sun while you're driving along. Also the built-in tray tables in the back of the front seats. They're really great for the little ones to be able to use while driving along too. There's storage underneath the floor of the second row, which is great for hiding your wallet and your phone and things like that when you go to the beach. And also there's a child lock button in the front to lock these rear doors while driving too. Number 2 are these second row seats. They're 3 individual seats, which means you can slide and adjust for leg room as much as you want. Also you can get 3 full-size child seats across them, which is great, or a grown-up in between 2 child seats. There's also Isofix in the base of all 3 of them, which means you can put 3 Isofix seats across the second row. This should be a top 10 really, because number 3 is massage seats in the front here. Hello! Also there is a wine bottle holder in the central console. It's all about the comfort for the mum in this car. I have loved driving the 5008 with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.